So for this 10-minute drop challenge, it's all about Liquid Dnb. You know those DnB tracks where it's all about the bliss and melodic vibe. So that's what I'm gonna attempt to do in 10 minutes. Woo! Like I said last episode, it's definitely not cheating if I change the tempo to the right tempo before we start. I kind of have like a very, very rough idea in my head at the moment. But you know, things that I've got to plan, you can't plan these 10-minute drop episodes. You just gotta wing it and hope for the best. Alright, and the timer starts in 3, 2, 1, start. Oh dear. So what I'm looking for, yeah, that. Oh, great start, can't even speak. I'm looking for like a tight, punchy kick. Trim that up even more with the fade tool. And I'm looking for a clap. I might go to the Secrets Drums expansion. That's definitely not a plug for our latest video. No, not latest video, latest pack. Oh yeah, that's tasty. You might want to knock that off though. Yep, I like what's happening here. Alright, we could trim that up a little bit. And hopefully I'm not going to do what I did last time when they, what was it, the Bass House 10-minute challenge, and I spent a good half of the video just making the drums. So hopefully I won't do that in this video. But I can see it's going to happen already. And last layer is a snare. Yep. This is turning into like normal DnB. Maybe remove the transient a bit. Nice! Alright, group that, mate. Compress that, mate. There we are. Yeah, it sounded a little bit too punchy for Liquid. I don't know. Oh, way too much reverb. Compressor after the EQ. It's just a little bit too much punch. Nice. Alright, grip those drums together. Boom, ch, boom, ch. The classic, gotta love it. What happened there? Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, do we need that? Nah, maybe not. Delete. What am I looking for now? Back into Equinox, our DnB pack. Oh my god, so many subtle plugs. And let's get like a loop like that going on. Choice. Alright, I've decided that that kick has just got a little bit too much low end, so I'm going to EQ that off. Okay, something's not right. Yeah, there we go. Okay, drums basically done, and just glue them all together with a glue compressor, of course. And then should we hit up Serum for some deep, Reese bass? Goodness, how much do I have? 7 minutes to go. Okay, this is looking doable. Serum, unison all the way up. Oh no, never mind. Are we thinking that filter? Oh, mono legato. Oh my god, it's gonna be so wide. OT2, is that a bit too? Nah, it clicks whenever there's a ting, so let's not do that. Okay, now to create the bass line. Yeah, 8 bars, why not? Should we do it in the classic A? Yeah. Do. Nah, that's not chill enough, you know? Getting there. Not sure, not sure. Oh no, oh no. Indecision in a 10-minute video. That can't be good. Oh, that's alright. Alright, let's bring in the piano. Sampler. For some reason I was like, simpler, sampler, simpler, sampler. Which one? And it's obviously sampler. I don't know, the one letter that was that was either simpler or sampler. It's the I or the A. I was like, what am I doing? Alright, let's just steal the bass. That's too low. Alright, good thing I made the track in A minor, so it's just all the white keys. Maybe not. And then a nice, beautiful something called F here. 4 minutes to go. I think this is... Oh, it's touch and go, actually. Oh, too much. What about... Can we chuck an A there? What's that? Reverb! Where you at? We don't have to use the F there. What about... Oh, that's interesting. Oh, no. Oh, no. 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 Okay, let's... Maybe not. We need sidechain, that is 100% certain. Why is my dog barking? Could my dog just not bark for a minute? I'm trying to record a video. Come on! It's not like I can pause it either. I got 10 minutes on the clock here. Oh no. Oh, let's get some sunset in this. Pad. Or do we go with the ARP? Oh, beautiful. That's why I love sunset. Link in the description. Cheeky. 2 minutes to go. And I'm going to work on this drum break, because it's not quite sounding right. Oh, you know what we need? We need the, the classic top layer, I think it's that snare, it's just too punchy. It's not what we're after. Alright, let's try... Oh, I do not have time for this. I do not have time for this. Roll snares. Oh, that was close. Get in there. Trim that. When you tune your snares, gangster. Alright. Oh, 30 seconds left on the clock. Oh, 15 seconds. No, oh, I'm not going to be able to do this idea. Shit. What am I doing? Full on panic mode. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. 6 seconds. Damn it! Every single freaking video, it's like, I'm almost there. I'm almost there. No, I've got so many ideas which I want to do. Ah, shit. Well, let's chuck an ozone on the master and then see how we did. Because, that ozone life though. Alright, from the top. What about... Okay, let's just do like a couple of minutes of tweaks. I know, cheating. I'm pretty happy with that, actually. I was very distressed when the video ended, or when the 10 minutes ended. I was like, shit, I got no time. But a couple of little tweaks, and that is sounding pretty decent if I do say so myself. If I were to spend like more hours on it instead of 10 minutes, obviously, I'll probably introduce more notes into the piano chords, maybe beef up the DnB break, add like some old school kind of amen break behind it, and enhance those melodies, maybe duplicate that pad a bit more, and you know, beef it up. Because I think the piano and the pad are definitely the highlights of this track. Alright, let's listen to it one last time. If you want to suggest more like 10-minute challenges of different genres, in the comment section below. I was about to say in the description. No, you can't edit the description, I can. So far I've done dubstep, I've done bass house, and now I've done Liquid Dnb. What do you want to see next? Oh, imagine future bass in 10 minutes. That would be, oh, that would be difficult. I'd spend like at least 9 minutes making the perfect like future bass wild. Anyway, I want to thank every single one of you for watching. It means so much. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace. Subscribe. Nice.